Hello friends, I am Ashok Sanodia and I welcome you back in your own organic gardening channel. Friends, in our earlier video, we have explained about one simple tip to improve tap water's quality for watering our plants. And based on your feedbacks and queries, today we are going to explain about some of the most important things which we should always remember while doing watering on plants. So if you also wish to know about these important things of watering, then please see this video till the end for knowing the complete information. So friends, here we would like to start by explaining first important thing that worldwide only two types of watering methods are commonly used for plants. First is surface irrigation and second is sprinkle irrigation. In surface irrigation method, we pour the water directly on plant soil and water reaches to the roots by natural gravity system. In sprinkle irrigation, we spray water over the plants same like the rainfall. If we talk about the benefits, then both methods are equally important because surface irrigation or pouring water directly on plant soil help us to send water quickly up to plant roots and plant start all their activities by absorbing it quickly. And in sprinkle irrigation or spray watering method, it not only help us to cleaning the plant leaves, but it also improve the humidity level around the plant that help us to reduce the loss of moisture and plant foliage growth become good and strong. But before using any method, we must remember these golden rules for getting perfect result. If summer is running, then we can use both methods together at any time of the day and plant will get all benefits. If winter or cold season is running, then we should avoid sprinkle irrigation or spray watering method for plants because due to cold, plant leaves stay wet for a long time and that may cause of fungus formation on plants. If we are living in those areas where surrounding temperature gets warm during the daytime and gets down during the evening time, then we should also not use sprinkle method at the evening time or while dropping temperature because in here also the plant leaves stay wet for a long time and fungus formation may start on plants. So friends, these were some of the most important things related to watering method, and now please understand some more important things which are related to watering temperature. And here you need to understand one of the most important factor that plant use dissolved oxygen to activate their growth system, and the oxygen level depends on the water temperature which we use for watering our plants. And here you can understand by this graph that dissolved oxygen level of water reduce if the water temperature goes high. And as per the study, all plants get enough oxygen if the water temperature maintain between 20 degrees centigrade to 30 degrees centigrade. Otherwise, if we apply too much cold water on plants, then plant growth may be stopped and plant can go in dormant condition for a long time. And if we use hot water on plants, then plant tissue could be damaged and plant can die due to lack of oxygen. So we should always use the water with normal temperature and we can easily judge it by feeling on hands. So friends, these were some of the most important things which we should always remember for watering plants. I hope this information will help you, and for any further query, please write us in comments box and we will try to answer you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.